In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Royal Bank of Scotland Online Banking. This guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully access your account. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the RBS Online Banking login page. The easiest way to do this is to open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and type in the RBS website address. Once you've reached the home page, look for the login section. It should be prominently displayed, usually in the upper right-hand corner, as banks want to make it accessible for their customers. Once there, the next step involves entering your customer number. This number was provided to you at the time of registration for online banking. It serves as a unique identifier for your account. If you're having trouble locating it, remember that it can often be found in emails sent by the bank during registration or by checking any paperwork you may have received. Now, with your customer number inserted, it's time to input your 4-digit PIN and password. These credentials are crucial for verifying your identity, so ensure that you enter them exactly as you created them. If you have difficulty remembering your PIN or password, consider using a password manager to securely store and retrieve them when needed. Also, be sure to keep this information private to prevent unauthorized access to your account. In some instances, you might be prompted to complete a security check. This additional layer of protection is designed to safeguard your account from potential threats. You could be asked to verify your identity using a one-time code, which will either be sent to you via SMS or email. This step generally only takes a minute or two, ensuring that your banking information remains secure. And that brings us to the end of the login process. By following these straightforward steps, accessing your Royal Bank of Scotland online banking should be hassle-free. Remember, if you encounter any issues or forget your login details, RBS provides resources and customer support to help you regain access. They're just a call or a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Whether you're checking your balances, transferring funds, or managing your finances, having quick and easy access to online banking is an invaluable tool. Stay secure and have a great day exploring all the features that RBS Online Banking has to offer.